What the heck? Who needs to sneeze to know passwords? Fine, I'll just pick for fun.
So, how's your power working out?
Device connected.
Well, that's okay, I guess. But what's the point? Just free Wi-Fi?
Ugh, this power really sucks.
Can you help me open the door?
How can I know your password? Give me my money back.
If you can. What the hell are you doing?
That's so crazy.
Defeat.